Hi everyone, so today we'll be making temple style Tindora curry. So this is a must try recipe, and even though you are not making it for temple, you can always make it at home. So for that we need to get good quality Tindora. Okay, they sell it only at the Indian store, they don't sell it at the American store. Okay, so make sure you look for the thin ones, thin and tall. Okay, these are the best one, and if you see any red color inside, do not use those. Okay, here I'm using the machine, which is not very good. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend it. So one tindora makes 4 parts. Okay, so here trim the front part and the back part, and then if you are using the knife, now make it into 4 parts, and then it would be ready. So now original recipe requires frying, so if you are okay with oil, fry it for 10 minutes until they're cooked. But we are going to air fry it because I'm making it at home, not for the temple. So I'm adding some oil, nothing else, and now I'm going to air fry it on 400 degrees, 425 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Or if you have higher temperature, you can fry it on that temperature. But we are going to make special masala right now. For that we need to use special ingredients. It's called papri. So this is papri, this is peanuts, sesame seed, our dry coconut. Okay, it's not sweetened, it's unsweetened coconut, and some valerian seed. It's also called fennel seed. And now we are going to grind everything to make powder. And now our tindora is almost like 80% cooked. That's when we take it out, and as you can see, it's going to splatter everywhere, but it's not cooked, and it's not mushy too, which is a great thing. That's why we air fry it, so that it doesn't get mushy. Now make sure you use cast iron pan. Okay, this is how you can make it delicious. So add slightly bit more than 1/4 cup of oil. Add mustard seed, karam seed, cumin, and fenugreek seed. Now they need to crackle it really well, okay, before you move forward on high flame. And now I'm going to add curry leaves because it's splattered, that's why I'm closing it. And now once it's done splattering, we'll open it up and let our mustard seed and cumin crackle. And whenever you use the cast iron, remember you have to spread oil everywhere, otherwise it's going to get sticky and it's not going to be fun. So now it's done crackling, we'll add our ginger garlic chili paste and some astafatida. Stir it really well and cook it for 1 minute. And after that we'll add our fried tindora, air fried tindora. You are more than welcome to fry it. Okay, now stir it really well, and we'll add our spices, which is turmeric, red chili powder, cumin powder, and salt. And stir it really well, and then we are going to close the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Because remember, our tindora is not completely cooked. We need to cook it before we add our prepared masala. So now this is how it looks like after 3 minutes. Normal tindora, this is how we serve it. Okay, whenever we make it at home, not any occasion or any puja, this is how we eat our tindora. But we are making it for temple style, so that's when you add this special masala and some Kashmiri red chili just for the color. It's optional, but with this you can get nice looking color, and you can make it for your guests too. It makes it visually appealing, that's why I'm adding it. Now stir it really well and let it cook for 2 minutes so that our masalas could get inside our tindora. Trust me, this recipe was so delicious, you must try it. Traditionally it's served with puri, but we serve it with chapati because chapati is the healthier version, puri is the fried version, that's why. So now towards the end we are going to add black salt. Remember, black salt, I'm saying black, but it looks like pinkish. Okay, black salt, some amchur powder, and garam masala. You have to add sugar too, but since I'm making it at home for my family, I didn't add any sugar, but traditional recipe requires sugar. So now turn off the flame, stir it really well. And now our tindora is ready. Just garnish it with some sesame seed and some cilantro. So now our temple style Tindora curry is ready. I hope you like my video. Let me know if you have any questions and concern. But since it's fried, you can always serve it the next day too. But we like to eat it hot, so I'm going to serve it fresh. So I hope my video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Bye.